Hello students, in this video we will learn about types of chemical reactions. After going through this video you should be able to list the types of chemical reaction, identify the type of chemical reaction, classify a chemical reaction according to its type. How did water form in the universe? How did early man produce quicklime, one of the ingredients used to create mortar? What happens during thermite welding of the rails of the railway track? How is the stomach acid neutralized by antacid? How is iron produced in a blast furnace? All these questions can be answered with help of different types of chemical reactions. There are 5 types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction. Combination reaction is a reaction in which 2 or more reactants or substances combine to form a single product or substance. For example, how did water form in the universe? Hydrogen was produced immediately after the Big Bang. This combines with the oxygen released from the supernovas to form water. The reaction can be represented as follows: 2H2G plus O2G, 2H2OS. Decomposition reaction. This reaction is the opposite of the combination reaction. A decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction in which a single reactant or substance breaks up into 2 or more products or substances. For example, during ancient times and even now quicklime is produced by heating limestone, CaCO3. The reaction can be represented as follows: CaCO3, S, CaOS plus CO2G. Single displacement reaction is a reaction where one element replaces another element in a compound. For example, in thermite welding, molten iron produced due to the reaction between ferric oxide Fe2O3 and aluminium, Al, is used to weld railway tracks. The element Al replaces the element iron in ferric oxide to produce aluminium oxide. The reaction can be represented as 2Al S plus Fe2O3, SAl2O3, S plus 2 Fe, S. Double displacement reaction is a reaction in which there is exchange of ions between the reactants or substances. For example, antacid is the remedy for acidity. What exactly happens when it is ingested? Let's consider the reaction of one of the antacids, calcium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid. Calcium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid in the stomach to produce calcium chloride and water. CaO2s plus 2HCl, L, CaCl2, S plus 2H2O, L. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation-reduction reaction is chemical reaction in which one reactant gains oxygen, or is oxidized, and the other reactant loses oxygen, or is reduced. Production of iron from iron ore in a blast furnace using carbon. 3C plus 2 Fe2O3 4 Fe plus 3 CO2. Hope this video has helped you to identify and classify chemical reactions.